If you ever meet Lyndon, you realize he's a genuine person who's out to help you, has been on a big journey. You can see this is not like he's not playing at this, he lives it. And really, if you're going to train with somebody in Europe, Lyndon's the man.
Yeah, before I trained with Master Yap in 2010, I had my second burnout from a corporate job. And I was walking around like this, and people say, "Oh, you're tense." I'm not tense, leave me alone, because you don't even notice at one point. And then later, when you can let go, it feels so much nicer. So this is a true mindfulness training.
Do you miss the corporate world?
No.
And I know we're going to get yourself over in March this year to Dublin to do a 2-day training on the very basic introduction to Yan Shou Gong. What can people expect?
We'll give people the body structure, because the body has a natural structure. And once you have this natural structure, your system your energy and your blood circulation will be optimized. Also, we will teach you the internal connections inside your body, inside the structure. It's like Master Yap say, you have like a house, and you need all the pipes to be aligned, because if not, you turn on the water, it starts leaking out everywhere and you're losing a lot of energy. And then also we teach you how to feel this energy move through your body and control it. So this is all inside the first set of Yan Shou Gong, which is called All Things Come From Emptiness.
The style of teaching that you're bringing helps accelerate that knowledge. We don't have to wait 20 years on the side of a mountain meditating on a lotus flower to achieve enlightenment. Through diligent, regular practice with the correct guidance.
You get this body, you get all these abilities. Everybody has the same abilities, but you don't get a manual. Yeah, our mission is to spread this art and also find people that want to learn this and also help spreading it, because if you keep this a secret, it will die out and people really need it.